So people actually exercising behind me now. Yeah, they do. Oh, those are big boys running me down. What's up, guys? Wagwan. Wagwan. Medea, on the goalie side. On the goalie side, me say. Yeah, man. Where's that goalie or Gaza?
Wow! Daddy, what's that bite juice? What's this? Daddy, are you
Morning, guys. It's time to go eat breakfast. Here. One more time. Yeah, we're gonna eat breakfast now. Such a nice place where we stay. It's Cocopound Beach Resorts. But the breakfast is a little bit expensive, so we're gonna take a basic plate. Basic plate comes for free, but anything else you have to pay. So yesterday we bought 2 omelets, and yeah, that was it, and we paid 2,500 Jamaican. So I don't really agree with that. So yeah, today we're gonna find something else, another option. Yes, guys, let's pack up everything. Yes, you might never know somebody want to eat next again, so you need to have something here. Right, so I'm gonna take you guys for a walk with me, and I'm walking on 7 Mile Beach. Look, the water is so good. The water is crystal clear. You can see in the morning fish are swimming around you, and I noticed that sometimes they bite, and when they bite, it really, like, you feel it. It's not like a little bite, you actually feel a juke here. So I've experienced it in Ocherias one time. A fish bited me, and I was like, what happened? Because I had a juke in my leg, and I was wondering what happened. And yesterday one of my friends, she got one, so she explained me why. Yeah, so guys, Negril is pretty good, and if you're a single woman, you can come here and enjoy life to the fullest. A lot of Jamaican men are waiting on you, but like I said, don't just lose your head. Don't lose your head. A lot of hotels down here, Margaretville and TGIF Friday is also there. I'm not really sure if they're open, but Margaretville is supposed to be open. Here's some water slides down there. I want to go there, but I think it's not really free. I need to ask people what's the procedure to go there. Behind me now? Yeah, they do. Oh, those are big boys running me down. What's up, guys? Wagwan. Wagwan. Medea, on the goalie side. On the goalie side, me say. Yeah, man. Where's that goalie or Gaza? Where's that Gaza? Goalie? Me say Gaza. Yeah, oh. All right. It's pretty safe, security everywhere. Yeah, man, you're safe, your things are safe, and that's why I like security is watching out for you. So guys, we're gonna check out the souvenirs. Let's see how much and what's there. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, man. I think I remember you guys.
You remember?
Yeah, man.
Where do you remember us from?
I saw your husband earlier on this morning.
Yeah, he's
Was
there.
playing football.
Oh, okay, okay.
Something.
Yeah, nice. There's also some nice souvenirs on the beach. Do you make it your own?
Yes.
You're a craftsman?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
But I do custom made
Oh,
also.
anything you want to make, you just can link you and you can be okay. That's nice. Guys, this is a Rasta Santa.
Yeah.
Look.
That's cool, right?
Yeah, super cool. So, what is the price variations?
Just show me what you want,
No,
It just came out.
from what the more like those cheapest one from the most
Well,
expensive
I have from
to the most
I
expensive.
have from 1,000 upwards.
From
1,000
1,000 to
to for those big ones at the ground. It's bigger behind you.
oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Daniel, put it down, please. So how much for the giraffe?
That one you get for
Daddy, it's bigger giraffe.
15,000.
15,000. It's like $100.
120.
Oh,
And that one
120.
with the leaf. One with the leaf, you get like for 10,000.
Okay. Oh, so big one is how much?
Yeah, man.
15. 15 and 10. Okay.
I even have bigger than that, but I keep you updated too big.
Oh, you have it somewhere, yeah. So guys, here if you want something bigger than giraffe, what though it's your size, you can just link them on and he can make it for you. No matter the size, anything you want. Here. No, Daniel. Don't sit.
That's my son name.
Huh?
My son named
Yes.
Daniel.
Daniel? Okay.
Very clever boy.
Here. Looks really nice. Oh, those are giraffe seats.
Yeah, this is a giraffe seat.
Okay, here you can sit on a giraffe.
I sell those for 10,000.
10,000. Wow, nice.
That's 90 US.
Yeah, it's cute. Daniel, идите сюда. I like this one, is nice. How much for the parrot with the hearts?
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. You can give me 5,000, and I put all the family name, like your husband and the kids.
Oh.
I carve the names in the middle of the heart.
Oh, you can. Oh, the biggest one, the elephant. Errol, you see Daniel? Okay. Oh, this one looks amazing. It's a really nice stand. It's like it can be a table also, anything you want.
It can be a stool.
Okay. Wow. How long did it take to make him?
That take me 1 week, 7 days.
Oh.
Well, I use chainsaw and chisels. Chainsaw the cut it on the legs and stuff.
So you just went for the board and
No,
for the
just
tree.
I use
Tree.
cedar. I pay a lot of money for cedar.
Okay.
But
Oh,
I buy a whole tree, so I get
whole
more
tree.
oil.
Okay.
And then I have to pay a small chunk to drop it.
Deliver it, yeah. So yes, guys, this is a Donovan's craft shop.
Yeah.
Credit cards accepted. You can pay with your credit card.
Yes.
And the phone is here. So yes, if you want a nice souvenir for your house, just link Donovan. Donovan gonna sort it out. Here? Yeah, man.
This bag.
Alright. It's like a rasta made from coconut shell. Authentic rasta jewelries. Looks nice. Okay. This place is really cozy. Feel like you are living in a pretty garden. Garden with a swimming pool. And Now I'm gonna show you guys what we got. We got something nice. And Daniel is addicted to it. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. That's jacuzzi. Yeah.
Not hot.
Still hot?
No, it's not hot.
Okay.